Usually, a vaccine takes 5 to 10 years on average time to develop. During development, a vaccine needs to go through the following steps. This includes exploratory stage, preclinical stage, clinical development, regulatory review and approval, manufacturing, quality control. Before we go into more detail on these different stages, please support us by subscribing to our channel and click on the bell icon for latest notifications. In exploratory stage, researchers will know about likely doses, including how many doses will be needed to build immunity. The goal of this stage is to find a safe way to introduce our immune system to the virus or bacteria. This background knowledge speeds up the development of a new vaccine. In preclinical stage, initial safety testing is usually carried out in animals to give an idea of responses in humans. During an outbreak, different research groups often work together to speed up this process. Clinical development. This step is where many promising potential vaccines fail. There are 3 phases of a clinical trial. In phase 1, testing on a few dozen healthy volunteers are done to look at how safe the vaccine is, and if it has any adverse effects. In phase 2, testing on several hundred people for efficacy is done. In phase 3, testing on several thousand people for efficacy and safety is done. Through these phases, the vaccine needs to show it's safe, leads to a strong immune response, and provides effective protection against the virus. During an outbreak, experimental vaccines may be used in severely affected populations if they are at high risk of disease, before progressing to regulatory approval. Regulatory review and approval. After a successful phase 3 trial, a national regulatory authority reviews the results and approves safe vaccines for manufacturing. Once a vaccine has been produced at a small scale and passed safety tests, it can be used in clinical trials. Every vaccine has a unique blend of biological and chemical components that require a specialized pipeline to produce. To start production as soon as the vaccine is approved, manufacturing plans must be designed in parallel to research and testing. This requires constant coordination between labs and manufacturers, as well as the resources to adapt to sudden changes in vaccine design. Quality control. The approval and distribution are far from the end of the line. Multiple systems are designed to monitor the performance, safety and effectiveness of an approved vaccine. Along the way, if any of these vaccine candidates are shown to be unsafe or ineffective, researchers must return to the laboratory to develop a new candidate. This is why vaccine development can be a long and uncertain process, and this is why a large section of people doubt about the recent development in COVID-19 vaccine. But our best strategy is for labs around the world to cooperate and work in parallel on different approaches. By sharing knowledge and resources, scientists can divide and conquer any pathogen.